Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change theme in your Vivo Y20. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to go in your device settings section. After click over there, you need to click here home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. After click over there, we're going to see here something say theme. We will have to click there, and here you're going to see some default theme installed by Vivo Y20. Also, if you want to change download more theme, you can easily click here download more, and that's going to be give you direct take to the Vivo store, and here you can easily update or download any themes. Let me go back and let me, for example, I want to make this theme. You have to choose that, and then this is the preview how this theme is going to be looks like. Easily click here apply, and that's going to be appear. That's going to be set a new theme in your Vivo Y20. You can see I had successfully changed the new theme. This is really very interesting. Let me make it the default theme it was previously. So what you have to do, you have to go again here in setting, and then you have to go here home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and then click here theme, and then I want to make the daylight that was previously, and I'm going to set here apply. So this is how you can easily change theme in your Vivo Y20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.